Hello, my lovely viewers. Good day to you all. You're all welcome to today's class at Maths Made Easy by Aisha Bande. Today we shall be looking at directed numbers. Under directed numbers, we shall be solving addition and subtraction of directed numbers. As we can see here, directed numbers are positive and negative numbers. When we say positive means plus, while negative means minus. So both positive and negative numbers are known as directed numbers. Under this topic as well, we shall be looking at what we call number line. A number line is a graph showing the directed numbers. That is, a number line is a graph showing both positive and negative numbers. So let's go straight to the examples. The first example says we should solve and show on a number line plus 3 plus 2. The second question is plus 3 minus 2. The third question is minus 3 minus 2. And the fourth question is minus 3 plus 2. So let's solve this on a number line. And also I'm going to explain in a layman's language how to solve directed numbers. Let's start with the first example, viewers. So the first example says we should solve plus 3 plus 2. This is positive 3 and positive 2, right? So we have to show this on a number line. This is what we mean by a number line. A number line is a graph showing both positive and the negative numbers. The positive numbers are on the right hand side, which are in the middle here. We have the 0. So at the right hand side we have plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 up to infinity, right? So at the left hand side we have the negative side, which is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to infinity. But remember, at the middle what we have is 0. So this is what we call a number line. This is the graph, okay? So now let's solve this on a number line. We're going to draw a line, a straight line, and we start from 0. At the right hand side, we start numbering. Just ensure that the numbers are, a bit lengthy. Let's do for 5 here. So this is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, and plus 5. Whatever you do at the right hand side, you do the same thing at the left hand side. So this side we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. So the question says plus 3 plus 2. So considering the first number here is plus 3. So what we do is we locate plus 3 on this number line. So where is plus 3? So this is our plus 3. We put a point there. Okay? And the next sign here shows that it is positive. That is plus, meaning we are going to the right. Then the next number tells you how many times you're moving to the right. So we have our plus 3 here. The plus here indicates we are moving to our right hand side. And then we are moving in how many times? 2 times. So let's move. This is 1, 2. So we stop. The number where we stop is 5. So that means our answer here is equal to plus 5. In a layman's language, to explain this plus 3 plus 2 means plus 3 means plus is what you have. Plus is the amount of money you have on you. While the minus means you're owing is a negative. But plus is what you have, okay? While the minus is what you're owing. So in a situation like in this question here, we have plus 3 plus 2 means you have plus 3 naira and also you have another plus 2 naira. So are you owing anybody here? No, that means there's no negative here, right? That means you have plus 3 plus 2, meaning the total amount of money you have here is plus 5. You do not have any negative amount here because you're not owing. That's in the layman's language. Let's move on and we'll understand better. The second question here says plus 3 minus 2. To get our answer on a number line, we do the same thing. We draw a number line. Let's draw from 0 to 5, just as we did in the first example. So here we have plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Remember whatever we do on the right hand side, we also do the same thing at the left hand side. So here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. So now let's look at the first number here. It says plus 3. Let's locate plus 3 on the number line. I will put a dot there. So this is our plus 3. But in this case, the next sign here shows that it is minus. Minus, that is negative, meaning we are going to the left-hand side. How many times? 2 times, which is what the last number is telling us here. So that means we are moving to the left-hand side 2 times. So this is plus 3. So let's move 1 and 2. So we stopped at what? At plus 1. So that means our answer for this graph here is plus 1. That means plus 3 minus 2 gives us plus 1. So let's explain this also in a layman's language. What it means is plus 3 means I have plus 3. This is the money I have on me. And this minus 2 means I am owing a friend minus 2. So if my friend comes for his 2 naira, am I left with any other money? Yes, I am left with some amount of money, which is plus 1, meaning my friend has collected 2 naira out of the 3 naira I'm having. What I have left is plus 1 because I'm not owing my friend again. So I have plus 1. Hope we understand. Let's move on to the third question, viewers. The third one says minus 3, minus 2. The same thing, let's draw our graph, but in this case, let's extend this to 7. So we have 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. You can extend your graph to any number, okay? And here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and minus 7. So let's solve this. The first number here is minus 3, right? So let's locate minus 3 on the number line. We put a dot there. This is our minus 3. The next sign here is minus, meaning we are moving to the left-hand side. How many times? 2 times. So let's move. We have 1 and 2. So we stopped at what? Minus 5, meaning that minus 3 minus 2 gives us minus 5. So let's explain this in a layman's language. Minus 3 means I am owing a friend minus 3. Then the next number, which is minus 2, means I am owing another friend minus 2, meaning I am owing 2 of my friends minus 3 and minus 2. So do I have any money on me? No. What it means is I am owing 2 friends and the total amount I'm owing the 2 of them is 5 naira, okay? But because I am owing, we have it in what? Negative, because I am still owing. I do not have any plus on me. Hope we understand, viewers. Now let's move on to the last question here, which says minus 3 plus 2. Let's draw our number line again. Let's do 0 plus 1. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, and plus 5. This way, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. So the first number, as usual, is to locate the first number we have, which is minus 3. This is minus 3 here on the left-hand side of the graph. Plus means we are moving to the right-hand side of the graph. How many times? 2 times. The last number here tells us the number of times we ought to move. So let's move 2 times. We have 1 and 2. So we stopped at what? Minus 1. So this means that minus 3 plus 2 gives us what? Minus 1. Let's explain again in a layman's language. Minus 3 means I am owing a friend 3 naira. Plus 2 means I have 2 naira in my pockets. So when my friend comes for his 3 naira, do I still have money on me? No, I don't have money on me. And besides, I can't even give my friend all the 3 naira I'm owing him. But what I can do is to give my friend all the 2 naira I'm having on him. So am I still owing my friend or I'm not owing? Definitely I'm still owing. How much am I owing my friend? I'm still owing my friend 1 naira. So because I'm still owing and I don't have money on me, it is a negative. That is why minus 3 plus 2 gives us what? Minus 1. Hi viewers, hope we learned something new today in our class. If you're not clear with any of the explanation, kindly drop your questions in the comment section and you shall be clarified. Join us in our next class for more examples, okay? And also for exciting videos. Thank you for liking our page. Thank you all. God bless you all. See you in the next class. Bye.